guys, welcome to Fun with Learning. This is 18th video in the series of Mission CHSL 40 days. I hope you have watched previous day's video. If not, you can get the link in the I button. And guys, please do like, share and subscribe our channel. Now let's begin with today's question, and the first question is: the high yielding varieties of wheat were first developed in which country? गेहूं की उच्च उपज देने वाली किस्में सबसे पहले किस देश में विकसित की गई थी? Answer is Mexico. The high-yielding varieties of wheat were first developed in Mexico. In Mexico, Professor Norman Borlaug and his associates developed new varieties of wheat which were early maturing, highly productive and disease resistant during the mid-1960s, and these varieties were imported and planted in selected regions of India having adequate irrigation facilities. Moving to second question: in which year Pulitzer Prize were established? पुलित्जर पुरस्कार किस वर्ष स्थापित किया गया था? Answer is 1917. 1917. The Pulitzer Prize was established in 1917. The Pulitzer Prize is a US award for achievements in newspaper and online journalism, literature and musical composition. It was established by provisions in the Will of American publisher Joseph Pulitzer and is administered by Columbia University in New York City. Moving to next question: which of the following fuels has calorific value equal to petrol? निम्नलिखित में से किस ईंधन का ऊष्मीय मान पेट्रोल के बराबर होता है? Answer is kerosene. मिट्टी तेल. The amount of heat energy produced on complete combustion of 1 kg of a fuel is called its calorific value. The calorific value of a fuel is expressed in a unit called kilojoule per kg. Kerosene has calorific value equal to petrol, that is 45,000 kilojoule per kg. Moving to next question: in which of the following organs of human body are carbohydrates stored as glycogen? मानव शरीर के निम्नलिखित में से किस अंग में ग्लाइकोजन के रूप में कार्बोहाइड्रेट का भंडार होता है? आंसर इज लीवर. जिगर. Carbohydrates are stored as glycogen in liver. The body breaks down most carbohydrates from the foods we eat and converts them to a type of sugar called glucose. When the body doesn't need to use the glucose for energy, it stores it in the liver and muscles. This stored form of glucose is made up of many connected glucose molecules and is called glycogen. Moving to next question: with which of the following sports is Anjum Mudgil associated? अंजुम मौदगिल का संबंध निम्नलिखित में से किस खेल से है? आंसर इज शूटिंग. Anjum Maudgil is associated with shooting. She is from Chandigarh and represents Punjab. She is a sub-inspector with Punjab Police. Moving to next question: the Channel Tunnel is the name of an undersea tunnel connecting which two countries? चैनल टनल किन दो देशों को जोड़ने वाली एक अंडरसी टनल का नाम है? आंसर इज फ्रांस एंड इंग्लैंड. Channel Tunnel, also called Eurotunnel, is a 31-mile, 50-kilometer long rail tunnel between England and France that runs beneath the English Channel. The tunnel runs between Folkestone and Saint-Gate, France, is used for both freight and passenger traffic. The tunnel was officially opened on May 6, 1994. Moving to next question: which of the following schedules of the Constitution of India contains the format of oaths to be taken by different constitutional functionaries? भारत के संविधान की निम्नलिखित में से किस अनुसूची में विभिन्न संवैधानिक पदाधिकारियों द्वारा ली जाने वाली शपथ का प्रारूप है? आंसर इज थर्ड शेड्यूल. तीसरी अनुसूची. The third schedule of the Constitution of India contains the forms of oath and affirmation for Union Minister of India, Parliament election candidates, Member of Parliament, Supreme Court judges, CAG, State Minister, State Legislature elections candidates, State Legislature members and High Court judges. Moving to next question: in the context of the Internet, which of the following is not a protocol? इंटरनेट के संदर्भ में निम्नलिखित में से कौन एक प्रोटोकॉल नहीं है? आंसर इज पीपीटी। PPT is not a protocol. PowerPoint presentation is a file extension for a presentation file format used by Microsoft PowerPoint, the popular presentation software commonly used for office and educational slide shows. Moving to next question. What is the full form of ESIC? ESIC का full form क्या है? Answer is Employee State Insurance Corporation, कर्मचारी राज्य बीमा निगम। The full form of ESIC is Employees State Insurance Corporation. It is a self-financing social security and health insurance scheme for Indian workers. The fund is managed by the Employees State Corporation. Moving to next question. Under the Sustainable Alternative Towards Affordable Transportation SATAT scheme, what is being promoted as an alternative transport fuel? सस्टेनेबल अल्टरनेटिव टुवर्ड्स अफोर्डेबल ट्रांसपोर्टेशन सतत योजना के तहत वैकल्पिक परिवहन ईंधन के रूप में किसको बढ़ावा दिया जा रहा है? आंसर इज कॉम्प्रेस्ड बायोगैस, संपीड़ित बायोगैस। अंडर द सतत स्कीम कंप्रेस्ड बायोगैस इज बीइंग प्रमोटेड एज एन अल्टरनेटिव ट्रांसपोर्ट फ्यूल। सतत इनिशिएटिव हैज बीन टेकन अप टू एक्सट्रैक्ट इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू फ्रॉम बायोमास वेस्ट in the form of compressed biogas CBG and biomanure. The CBG has the potential to support the development of alternate clean fuel in automotive, industrial and commercial uses in coming years. Moving to next question. Who among the following is also known as the founder of macroeconomics as a separate discipline? निम्नलिखित में से किसे एक अलग अनुशासन के रूप में समष्टि अर्थशास्त्र के संस्थापक के रूप में भी जाना जाता है? आंसर इज जॉन मेनार्ड किन्स। मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स इज द ब्रांच ऑफ इकोनॉमिक्स दैट डील्स विथ स्ट्रक्चर, परफॉर्मेंस, बिहेवियर, डिसीजन मेकिंग ऑफ द होल और एग्रीगेट इकोनॉमी। मैक्रोइकोनॉमिक्स एज इट इज in its modern form is often defined as starting with John Maynard Keynes and the publication of his book The General Theory of Employment, Interest and Money in 1936. Moving to next question. What is the aims of Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi scheme? प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि योजना का उद्देश्य क्या है? आंसर इज इंश्योरिंग मिनिमम इनकम फॉर फार्मर फैमिलीज हु ओन अप टू 2 हेक्टेयर ऑफ कल्टिवेबल लैंड। 2 हेक्टेयर तक कृषि योग्य भूमि वाले किसान परिवारों के लिए न्यूनतम आय सुनिश्चित करना। प्रधानमंत्री किसान सम्मान निधि पीएम किसान इज ए सेंट्रल सेक्टर स्कीम with 100% funding from Government of India. It has become operational from December 2018. Under the scheme, an income support of 6,000 per year in 3 equal installments will be provided to small and marginal families having combined land holding / ownership of up to 2 hectares. Moving to next question. Which of the following is not a valve of the heart? निम्नलिखित में से कौन हृदय का वाल्व नहीं है? आंसर इज सेप्टम, पट। Septum is not a valve of the heart. Septum is the cartilage in the nose that separates the nostrils. Typically, it sits at the center and divides the nostril evenly. Many people have an uneven septum, which makes one nostril larger than other. Moving to next question. Which Mughal emperor adopted the title of Alamgir? आलमगीर की उपाधि किस मुगल सम्राट ने धारण की थी? आंसर इज औरंगजेब। औरंगजेब was given the title of Alamgir, which means conqueror of the world. Mohiuddin Muhammad, commonly known by sobriquet Aurangzeb, was the 6th Mughal emperor who ruled over almost the entire Indian subcontinent for a period of 49 years. Moving to next question. Who among the following co-authored the book Indian Physical Federalism along with Y.V. Reddy? निम्नलिखित में से किसने वाई.वी. रेड्डी के साथ इंडियन फिजिकल फेडरलिज्म पुस्तक का सहलेखन किया? आंसर इज जी.आर. रेड्डी। द बुक टाइटल्ड इंडियन फिजिकल फेडरलिज्म इज को-ऑथर्ड बाय वाई.वी. रेड्डी एंड जी.आर. रेड्डी. It is a contemporary, timely, and comprehensive analysis of physical federalism in India. It offers a historical perspective on physical federalism, in particular, the interplay and overlap of institutional mechanisms. Moving to next question. The famous Khajuraho group of monuments was constructed by which dynasty? प्रसिद्ध खजुराहो समूह के स्मारकों का निर्माण किस राजवंश द्वारा किया गया था? आंसर इज चंदेल डायनेस्टी. The temples at Khajuraho were built during the Chandel dynasty, which reached its apogee between 950 and 1050. Only about 20 temples remains. They fall into three distinct groups and belong to two different religions, Hinduism and Jainism. They strike a perfect balance between architecture and sculpture. Moving to next question. Which of the following rivers is not a part of the Ganga river system? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सी नदी गंगा नदी प्रणाली का हिस्सा नहीं है? आंसर इज धनसाड़ी. Dhansari is the main river of Golaghat district of Assam and the Dimapur district of Nagaland. It originates from Liasand peak of Nagaland. It flows through a distance of 352 km from south to north before joining the Brahmaputra river on its south bank. Its total catchment area is 1220 square kilometer. Moving to next question. Which of the following straits connects the Mediterranean Sea with Atlantic Ocean? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा जल डमरू मध्य भूमध्य सागर को अटलांटिक महासागर से जोड़ता है? आंसर इज जिब्राल्टर. स्ट्रेट ऑफ जिब्राल्टर कनेक्ट्स द अटलांटिक ओशन एंड द मेडिटेरेनियन सी, is about 60 km long and between 14 to 44 km broad. Moving to next question. The air defense system Iron Dome belongs to which country? वायु रक्षा प्रणाली आयरन डोम किस देश से संबंधित है? आंसर इज इजराइल. द एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम आयरन डोम बिलोंग्स टू इजराइल. आयरन डोम इज ए मोबाइल ऑल वेदर एयर डिफेंस सिस्टम. इट इज डेवलप्ड बाय राफेल Advanced Defense Systems and Israel Aerospace Industry. Moving to 20th question. Sudirman Cup, a biennial event, is associated with which sport? सुदीरमन कप एक द्विवार्षिक आयोजन किस खेल से संबंधित है? आंसर इज बैडमिंटन. द सुदीरमन कप इज द वर्ल्ड टीम चैंपियनशिप held every 2 years and one of the most prestigious titles in the sport of badminton. The event was first held in the Bung Karno Stadium, Jakarta, Indonesia in 1989. The cup is named after Dick Sudirman, a former Indonesian badminton player and the founder of Badminton Association of Indonesia. Moving to next question. Which of the following organizations publishes an annual report titled Global Competitiveness Index? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा संगठन वैश्विक प्रतिस्पर्धात्मकता सूचकांक नामक वार्षिक रिपोर्ट प्रकाशित करता है? आंसर इज वर्ल्ड इकोनॉमिक फोरम, विश्व आर्थिक मंच. द ग्लोबल कॉम्पिटिटिवनेस रिपोर्ट इज ए yearly report published by the World Economic Forum. Since 2004, the GCR ranks countries based on the Global Competitiveness Index. It is a set of institutions, policies and factors that set the sustainable current and medium term levels of economic prosperity. Moving to next question. In the context of computers and communication technology, 1 megabyte is equal to which of the following? कंप्यूटर और संचार प्रौद्योगिकी के संदर्भ में 1 मेगाबाइट निम्नलिखित में से किसके बराबर है? आंसर इज 1024 किलोबाइट्स. In the context of computers and communication technology, 1 megabyte is equal to 1024 kilobytes. The megabyte is a multiple of the unit byte for digital information. Its recommended unit symbol is MB. Moving to next question. Who among the following leaders was not a founding member of the Hindustan Socialist Republican Army? निम्नलिखित नेताओं में से कौन हिंदुस्तान सोशलिस्ट रिपब्लिकन आर्मी का संस्थापक सदस्य नहीं था? आंसर इज बदरुद्दीन तैयब जी. द HSRA was a revolutionary party set up by Ram Prasad Bismil and his associates to fight against British colonial rule in India and achieve independence for the country through an armed rebellion if necessary. Badruddin Tayyib ji was not a founding member of the HSRA. Moving to next question. National Voters Day is celebrated on which date? राष्ट्रीय मतदाता दिवस किस तारीख को मनाया जाता है? आंसर इज 25 जनवरी. National Voters Day is celebrated every year on January 25 to raise awareness among youth to participate in the electoral process. January 25 is the foundation day of the Election Commission of India (ECI), which came into existence in 1950. Moving to next question, and it is the last question of today. Among the following, which is the first Indian state to have a real-time digital flood reporting system? निम्नलिखित में से कौन सा पहला भारतीय राज्य है जिसके पास वास्तविक समय में डिजिटल बाढ़ रिपोर्टिंग प्रणाली है? आंसर इज असम. Assam is the first Indian state to have a real-time digital flood reporting system. Assam is prone to severe floods and erosion every year because of river Brahmaputra. Real-time digital flood reporting system has been developed jointly by Assam State Disaster Management Agency ASDMA and UNICEF. Thanks for watching this video. प्लीज़ इस वीडियो को लाइक और शेयर करें और कम्पिटिटिव एग्जाम से रिलेटेड वीडियो पाने के लिए चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें. जय हिंद.